Hey, Finks, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finks.com. Today from the Black Forest in Germany. So I live near the Black Forest, and yeah, today I'm going for a walk in the forest every day. And in each of those backend videos, I want to address one topic concerning freelancing that may be interesting for you. So most likely you are an employee, right? So and in this video, I want to actually attack the question: is it a good idea to become a freelancer on the side? So earning a side income as an employee. So say you're working 40 hours per week as an employee, maybe 35 hours per week as an employee, and you are thinking about switching to freelancing altogether, or maybe you want to keep your job because you actually enjoy doing your job and you enjoy the steady paycheck, right? But you just want to actually add some income to your job. Maybe your income is not enough to own your or to actually build your dream life, right? Maybe you want to buy a house or so, and you need to save some money. Maybe you just want to save some money for investment for later, for retirement age, or maybe you have some debt, right? And you want to reduce your debt and take control of your life and add some income to it. And the problem with being an employee is you don't have any control of your income, right? Or maybe you have some control, but like not a lot. You can, for example, not increase your income by 10% in the same job in a given year just by being more productive. Usually you have some contract, and the contract just tells you can earn this and that much. You cannot earn more. You cannot actually increase your income by 50% in a given year. So right, it's not possible to just increase your income by 50%. You need to get promoted in order to do so, and still, even if you get promoted, you usually don't increase your income by 50%. Even if you are 50% more productive in your job or 100% more productive in your job, you don't increase your income by 100%, right? So it's very difficult to actually increase your income as an employee. You usually have an upper limit, and it is really like a glass ceiling, and it's really tough to go through this glass ceiling in terms of income, right? And so that's why I think freelancing on the side is a great idea, because now as a freelancer you don't have this glass ceiling anymore. You can like an hour here, an hour there. For example, you can work 1 hour per day on your freelancing business, and then on the Saturday work another 8 hours on your freelancing business, and then Sunday you take off, right? And by doing this, you actually increase your income by, say, so maybe you can work 5 hours on the weekdays plus 8 hours on the Saturday, which is like 13 hours. You can make on average, just like with average type of skills, you can use your skills from your main job, like Excel programming or writing Python scripts, or like learning something new, web scraping, something that we teach on the Things the Computer Science Academy. So any of those skills will do, right? You can Solidity, you can blockchain development, something that excites you and where you have some initial skills. You can sell those skills and say you're making $50 per hour. You work 13 hours per week, which means that you can increase your weekly income by easily $500, right? So it would be even more like $650 or so, and multiply this with 4, and you will get like $2,400, $2,500 as an additional income stream, just by eking out a bit more time for your business, for your freelancing side business. So this is it's a good strategy, and I know it works. I have seen it for many of our students. I have done it myself. When I was an employee, I was working as a doctoral researcher. So before finishing my degree, I was actually already working on the side on some basic gigs, and so I was a researcher, right? So therefore I sold my skills as a researcher. So I sold my consulting type of skills to on the Upwork marketplace, already making $100 per hour. But I wasn't like I could just take the gigs that were exciting to me, that interested me, and that were paying well, right? Because I had the freedom. I already had like an income stream. My main income stream, everything was covered. It was just an additional income, right? And therefore, if you have this type of freedom, you are actually like you have a much better chance of delivering more value and of creating your business successfully, because now you're not dependent. You are neither dependent on the client, nor are you dependent on your main employer, which means you're more independent. You make better choices, long-term choices, and you become better. You can, for example, invest more time in learning, and you have more experience in both. And just this peace of mind and calmness usually makes you a more sovereign individual, which tells, right? So your bosses and your clients will be able to tell that you are not dependent on their income, which makes you more attractive to them in a way. So yeah, so I was doing it myself. I have seen it with hundreds of students, Finster Freelancer course students. So you can check out the Finster Freelancer course, where I will guide you through the whole process of being an absolute beginner to making some income on Upwork. You don't need to quit your job yet. You can at any time later you could, for example, if your employer if you have some, like if your employer business has some problems or some issues, or you get fired or so, you still have a second income stream to fall back on, right? I think it's a great strategy, and you can you just need to work a bit more, maybe watch 1 hour Netflix less on a given day. So the average US citizen watches like 3 to 5 hours Netflix and TV and stuff per day. So you could eke out like 1 hour per day, and then Saturday 8 hours, and that's it, right? I mean, you can build like a complete second income based on just this decision. Okay, anyways, if you want to check out the freelancer course, I'd be happy to have you here, so you can check it out in the description below. If you like those freelancing videos, and give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I release one freelancing video every day and give you like interesting niches you could pursue yourself as a freelancer on Upwork or another freelancer platform. And thanks for listening to this video and giving me your attention, and see you in the next video. Bye.